Unveiling Idioms. Understanding out in the cold. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets behind its expressions. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase you might have heard or used yourself, out in the cold. It's a phrase rich with imagery, but what does it really mean? Let's warm up to the topic and find out together. At its core, out in the cold refers to a situation where someone is excluded or left out from a group or an activity. It paints a picture of someone being outside in the cold, looking in, unable to join the warmth and comfort that others are enjoying. This idiom can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments, to describe feelings of isolation or neglect. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us appreciate their meanings on a deeper level. While the exact origin of out in the cold is somewhat murky, it's believed to stem from the literal experience of being left outside in cold weather, which has historically been a metaphor for rejection or abandonment. Over time, this literal experience transformed into the figurative expression we use today. To see how versatile this phrase is, let's look at a few examples. After the new CEO took over, many longtime employees felt left out in the cold, as new policies seemed to favor newer hires. When my friends didn't invite me to the movie night, I felt like I was out in the cold. During the meeting, when my idea was ignored, I felt out in the cold. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to social, professional, and personal scenarios, highlighting feelings of exclusion and isolation. Incorporating idioms like out in the cold into your everyday language can make your speech more colorful and expressive. Here are some tips. Use it to express sympathy for someone who's been excluded. It seems like they're really leaving you out in the cold on this project. Reflect on personal experiences where you felt excluded, as a way to connect with others. I know how it feels to be out in the cold, so I always try to include everyone. In writing, this idiom can add emotional depth to characters or situations in stories. Understanding and using idioms like out in the cold can enrich your English language skills and help you express complex emotions and situations in a nuanced way. We hope this video has warmed you up to the idea of exploring more idioms and expressions. Remember, learning a language is not just about the words but also about the stories and emotions they convey. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more insights into the beautiful intricacies of the English language.